This right here is actually a full-fledged PC. This is the LattePanda V1, and as you guys can see, it is tiny. So this PC is kind of like a Raspberry Pi in a way where you do have some ports. You actually have two USB 2s, you have a USB 3, you have an HDMI, you also have an Ethernet that can do about 100 megabits per second, you have an audio port, and you even have some storage expansion with this guy right here, which is a micro SD, so you can put a micro SD card in it and get yourself up to like a terabyte of extra storage. We also, weirdly enough, have a ton of fan headers, which could be used for anything. They're just 12-volt power, but we did test it. It does actually power a fan. It does use micro USB, which we're not a big fan of, but this system from LattePanda is a little bit out of date anyways. It's a 4 gig of RAM and 64 gigs of eMMC storage, and hopefully we'll see a newer version from LattePanda soon because we love how small and how power efficient it is at only around, maybe 6 or 7 watts. So hopefully we'll get a newer model soon with like an i3.